KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Here's your Weather Xtreme video for this Sunday morning, December the 2nd. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. Some much improving conditions for everyone today. Let's go to the graphics. And let's start with the radar and observations across Alabama and the southeast United States at 5:15 early on this Sunday morning. You can see upper 60s, low 70s over South Alabama. That's where the cloudiness has continued to prevail. There's been some clearing, as we'll see on the satellite picture in just a minute. We're in the middle to upper 50s across much of the rest of north and central Alabama. Haleyville showing up at 48 degrees up there in northwest Alabama. Here is the satellite across southeast United States. You can see the more intense clouds to the south, the colder cloud tops, stronger convection. They've actually increased over the past few hours. Tornado watch continues for extreme southeast Alabama and southern Georgia. There is one severe thunderstorm warning down there northeastern Florida as we write this around Jackson, Holmes, and Washington counties, around Marianne and Chipley, in those areas that were damaged heavily by Hurricane Michael. I hope you saw our post yesterday morning about the hurricane season because it covered the entire season, some interesting facts. Get a chance to go back and read that. We were, of course, more focused on severe weather yesterday, but that is an interesting read. You can see this clearing right here in the I-59 corridor. That's allowed that fog to develop. Visibilities in this area down to a half mile at Tuscaloosa, half mile at Meridian, a quarter mile up at Fort Payne. Down here in the Montgomery-Auburn area, a little bit of clearing, also allowing visibilities to drop to 3 to 5 miles in that area. This area will see mostly sunshine today. These areas, southeastern parts of central Alabama, will see some lingering clouds and showers through the morning hours, but they'll be moving out as we move through the day. Rainfall amounts were fairly generous across much of central and north Alabama with on yesterday. You can see most of the Birmingham area picking up between 1 and 2 inches of rain. We actually had a rainfall record at Anniston. 2.68 inches of rain fell over there at the Birmingham airport. This storm actually dropped 1.49 inches of rain. Calera, 2.17 inches of rain as well from this system. Let's look at the last 365 days. We tend to be rather rainfall sensitive around here. We like our rainfall. We hate drought, and you can see over the past 365 days, this goes through November 30th. The Birmingham airport, 4/10 of an inch of rain as a surplus. So we'll take that. You can see the ups and downs over the year, the dry periods, the wetter periods. But that's what it's looked like over the last year at Birmingham. Now, looking back to November, was cooler than normal across much of the eastern half of the country, and including some temperatures that were running some 8 to 10 degrees below normal across parts of the Midwest. Here in Alabama, we ran about 5 to 6 degrees below normal. Of course, Florida, warmer than average, and also the West. Now, high temperatures today across north and central Alabama will look like this. Upper 60s in the Tennessee Valley, probably around 69 around Coleman, 66 up at Fort Payne. In the I-20 corridor, you can expect lower 70s today. It should be a beautiful day for most folks with clear to partly cloudy skies and a good supply of sunshine, a brisk southwesterly wind. Here's the upper air pattern across the United States showing a broad trough, occupying much of the real estate of the United States. And that's going to eventually allow cooler and drier air to spread down into Alabama and the deep south as well. In fact, we'll fast forward to Wednesday. You can see sprawling high pressure in control of the weather over a large chunk of the nation, including here in Alabama. We'll see mostly sunny skies, cool conditions, with some freezing temperatures in the morning, some temperatures in the 40s as we go into midweek this week. And here are those temperatures off the GFS, showing we'll be near 70 today. In the lower 60s tomorrow, and then things really drop off. Another short wave rotating through the trough, bringing in a reinforcing shot of drier and cooler air by Tuesday. We'll be 40 Tuesday morning, 49 for the high on Tuesday, 32 Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, with highs in the 40s and 50s both days. Things won't warm much past that. We'll be in the 50s on Friday and Saturday as another storm system comes our way. Next Sunday, maybe the next day that we see 60s. Let's go forward in time. Not much to talk about through the week, just that temperature forecast. But as we head toward next Saturday afternoon, low pressure depicted by the GFS over the that would be the Arcla-Miss region. Low pressure centered there in northeastern Louisiana. That's a position to bring us rain, but probably not severe weather. So in temperatures, as you saw in the 50s, it's just not going to happen. Here in Alabama, we could see another dose of rain, though, for next Saturday. And it looks like things are lining up to be wet on the weekends. That's going to be the theme for the next couple of weeks. Although this next system speeding up a little bit according to the GFS. You see it moving in on Thursday night and Friday morning. The 13th and 14th low pressure moving into, I guess that would be over the Great Lakes region. That low would be moving into Ohio. And as it does, a little bit stronger at 992 millibars. An area of rain, probably some thunderstorms moving into Alabama at that time. Some chance that those could be severe, but we'll be watching that closely. That's your weather video for this Sunday morning, December the 2nd. I'll be back with the next weather video from me next Sunday, December 9th. Of course, James will have 2-a-days starting tomorrow and all week right here on Alabama WX. Have a great week, and as I always say, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something interesting to look at.